So traditionally this flute is played standing. Actually, I cannot really play it sitting, I have to stand. So I will. And basically just hold it this way, and this way I can very easily reach here. And I have here this thing. And there is different techniques. Maybe you can actually use some of these techniques in your shakuhachi, like overblowing or this is shut the thing. So I'm just gonna play a short melody, Slovakian traditional piano. There's some sounds similar to shakuhachi. It's like overblowing, that kind of thing. I would sometimes hear in shakuhachi. What is it called? Muraiki. The thing that I like to use, this is not a traditional way of playing, because of the easy that you can actually cover the whole mouthpiece. You can use the circular breathing technique, which is, I mean, I love using circular breathing. I can go for long time. So there is, in shakuhachi, there are some people using it, but it's difficult. Because the splitting and